Today, we take a look at the historic Maxwell School House, a one-room schoolhouse near Buena Vista, Colorado. This was built in the late 1800s and remained in operation until 1933. This hole probably contained a stovepipe at one time for a wood stove, but it offers us a unique ability to look inside. I was a little disappointed. I was hoping to see school desks or chairs, or maybe the ghost of an old school teacher, but nothing like that in here. Looks like they're using it for storage for those old banisters that obviously aren't part of the school. Some old scaffolding. All that was just boarded up inside of here. Oh well. The school's unique construction was of concrete blocks, maybe, or stone, but it looks almost like a manufactured concrete block that was obviously much more durable than the typical rural schoolhouses, the one-room schoolhouses of the era that were mostly made out of wood that are all dilapidated now and falling apart. Probably was a bell up there at one time. The Maxwell School House was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 2020. As we do a fly around here, this looks like an interesting choice for a location of a school because there doesn't appear to be anything for almost as far as the eye can see. No houses, no abandoned structures, nothing that looks like it used to be a farm or anything. There's like an old farmhouse across the road, but that's the only place. So you have to imagine that the kids who came to this school, if they walked a long ways to get to this school. Probably came by buggy or car in the later years. I hope you enjoyed this look at the historic Maxwell Schoolhouse near Buena Vista, Colorado. Thanks for watching.